Welcome guys, in this video I will show you how you can download fau-g game on your Android smartphone. As you can see, in my case the game is working, so right now I will move and show you the process how we can download this game. So let's go back, and right now I'm going to delete this game. And next, when we are going to enter the Play Store, I cannot find this game. So when I type here fau-g, as you can see here, I got some kind of the application that we can, some tools, photography, books, and other stuff. I cannot find this game here. So what we have to do, here I have two links. These links you will be able to find in the description of this video. We have downloaded APK file and OBB file. So let's enter, for example, for the first link. And I'm going to open it in my browser. So we have to pass these links into the browser. And then we have to click here to free download from the APK file. So click. Then we have to select that we are not a robot. And after a few seconds, we will be able to click right here to create a download link. So just be patient and wait. Right now we have to click here to create the download link. Then tap here to click here to download. And we will get some kind of the ads, but we have to turn it off and then try to click here another time. Let's click another time. There's another ads that we have to turn on, but we have to keep trying. And as you can see right now, we are able to download this file. So we have to click download. But in my way, I'm not going to make it because I just have this file. So I'm only showing you how we can get it. And then when you download this file, we have to go for the second link. So click here, then let's open on our browser. And as you can see here, we got the OBB file. It's almost 400 megabytes. So we have to go for the free download also. Then select that we are not a robot, and then we have to wait this 30 seconds. So just wait. Right now we have to click here to create download link. Click here to download. There will be another ad, so we have to go back, try another time to download. And as you can see right now, we are able to download. So we have to click right here. And if you finish download both of these files, you have to go for your file manager. And in the downloads, you will find the OBB file. This one I'm going to delete because I don't need this one. We will find this OBB file and APK file of your game. So at the first you have to click right here and then click extract. Then leave it like that and click OK. As you can see, it's finished. So what we have to do right now, we have to enter for this file com.nCORE games. And we have to click and hold and move this file to our internal storage and to the Android and put it into the OBB folder. Click, then tap OK. As you can see, it was moved. So we have to go back and then we can try to install our fau-g game. So let's install. And right now we can try to easily open. So let's try. And as you can see, the game is working, so we can right now accept all of this stuff, and then we can easily move to enjoy this game. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.